The scene opens on a winding mountain road, bathed in the soft glow of sunset. The air feels calm, the golden light painting every curve of the hills and the distant peaks in a warm embrace. Parked at the edge of this scenic overlook is a sight that feels as if it rolled straight out of another era. A retro-style three-wheeled camper, its rounded, vintage frame glowing in hues of orange and white. The bodywork carries a charm that blends nostalgia with adventure, a design that calls back to simpler times while standing proudly against the grandeur of nature. The camper's two-tone paint gleams under the fading sun, its warm orange accent glowing like fire while the white panels soften its character. Circular headlights stare outward with a timeless expression, like eyes keeping watch over the horizon. Small chrome details catch the evening light. The trim, the door handle, the neat round side mirrors, every touch carefully placed to celebrate a bygone era of design. At the front, a single small wheel rests beneath its curved fender, completing the unique silhouette that sets it apart from modern vehicles. As the camera drifts closer, the side door swings open, offering a glimpse into the heart of this retro camper. The interior is instantly inviting, a tiny haven of warmth and personality tucked inside the compact shell. Wooden cabinets line the walls, their surfaces polished smooth, carrying a rustic glow beneath the soft golden lighting. Shelves hold neatly arranged dishes, simple yet elegant, alongside jars and small touches of everyday life. In one corner, fresh flowers sit in a vase, their delicate colors brightening the space, their presence making the camper feel alive with charm. Curtains frame the small windows, fabric flowing gently in the mountain breeze that sneaks in from the open door. Through these windows, the fading sunlight streams in, filtering across the wooden surfaces, casting patterns of light and shadow that make the space feel even cozier. Every detail whispers a story. The well-kept dishes waiting for a meal to be shared, the warm light spilling from above, the sense that this camper is not just transportation, but a home on wheels. Stepping back, the scene unfolds wider. The camper sits perched on the curve of the mountain road, surrounded by rolling green hills that stretch endlessly into the distance. Beyond them, mountains rise, their ridges softened by the haze of twilight. The sky above is a canvas of orange, pink, and gold, shifting with each passing moment as the sun lowers behind the peaks. The glow of evening wraps both the camper and the land in a shared moment of serenity, as though time itself has slowed. The camera lingers on the vehicle's details, the way the orange body reflects the last rays of sunlight, the gentle sway of the curtains in the open doorway, the flowers arranged both inside and just outside, adding life and personality to the retro design. The camper feels like more than a machine. It is a companion, a keeper of journeys past, ready to hold new memories on the winding roads ahead. As the light begins to fade, the interior becomes even more inviting. The warm glow from within spills gently onto the pavement, a beacon of comfort against the growing shadows of the hills. The flowers, the wooden cabinets, the delicate curtains, all of it speaks to a careful hand, someone who has made this camper not just a vessel for travel, but a personal sanctuary. Finally, the scene pulls back to reveal the full picture. The retro three-wheeled camper standing still on the mountain road, the golden horizon behind it, the rolling hills falling away into distance. It is a moment caught between day and night, past and present, adventure and rest. A picture of nostalgia meeting freedom, reminding us that sometimes the most beautiful journeys are the ones taken slowly, with the road, the sky, and the comforts of home always close by.